Have you ever had a dream that felt so real, so possible? You could almost taste it, feel it, live it. That, my friend, is the incredible power of visualization. Our minds are powerful tools, and when we focus our thoughts and energy on what we want, amazing things can happen. A vision board takes this power of visualization to a whole new level. It's not just about daydreaming, it's about creating a tangible representation of your dreams, a vibrant collage of your ideal life. Imagine a world where you wake up feeling energized and excited about the day ahead. You're surrounded by loving relationships, doing work that sets your soul on fire, and living in a space that reflects your unique style and passions. That's the power of a vision board. It helps you clarify your desires, focus your energy, and manifest your dream life. Are you ready to turn those dreams into reality? Let's get started. A vision board, also known as a dream board, is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. It's a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that represent what you want to attract into your life. It's like creating a visual roadmap for your dreams. Think of it as a personal inspiration board that you can look at every day. It's a reminder of your goals and a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. By surrounding yourself with images and words that align with your aspirations, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind about what you want to create in your life. Creating a vision board is more than just a fun arts and crafts project. It's a powerful tool for personal growth and manifestation. Here's why. Clarity. It helps you gain clarity on your goals and dreams. By visualizing your aspirations, you define them more clearly. Focus. It keeps your goals top of mind. By seeing your vision board regularly, you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Positive energy. It surrounds you with positive energy and inspiration. Visualizing your dreams can uplift your mood and boost your motivation. But don't just take my word for it. Science backs up the power of visualization. Studies have shown that visualizing desired outcomes can actually rewire the brain, increasing your chances of success. Ready to unleash the power of your mind? Let's gather our supplies. Gathering your vision board supplies. Creating a vision board should be a fun and inspiring experience, so gather your favorite art supplies and let your creativity flow. Here's what you'll need. A board. This can be a poster board, cork board, or even a digital board on your computer. Magazines, books, and printed images. Gather inspiring visuals that resonate with your goals and dreams. Scissors, glue, tape. These will help you assemble your masterpiece. Markers, pens, colored pencils. Use these to add personal touches and write affirmations. Optional extras. Get creative with stickers, glitter, paint, or any other embellishments that spark joy. Remember, your vision board should be a reflection of your unique personality and aspirations. Creating your dream life collage. Now for the fun part, creating your vision board. Find a quiet and inspiring space where you can let your creativity flow. Put on some uplifting music, light a candle, and get ready to manifest your dream life. First, set your intentions. Take a few deep breaths and set your intentions for this creative process. What do you want to call into your life? Next, browse and select. Flip through your magazines and browse your images. Choose visuals that resonate with you on an emotional level. Then, cut and arrange. Cut out your chosen images and play with different arrangements on your board. After that, glue and secure. Once you're happy with the layout, glue or tape your images to your board. Finally, add text and embellishments. Use markers, pens, or printed quotes to add affirmations, words of encouragement, or details about your dreams. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to creating your vision board. Let your intuition guide you and have fun with the process. Bringing your vision board to life. Your vision board is complete, but the real magic happens when you integrate it into your daily life. Here are some tips for maximizing its effectiveness. Place it strategically. Hang your vision board in a prominent location where you'll see it daily, your bedroom, workspace, or even your bathroom mirror. Visualize daily. Take a few minutes each day to look at your vision board and visualize yourself living your dream life. Take action. Your vision board is a powerful tool, but it won't work on its own. Take inspired action towards your goals, no matter how small. Remember, Creating a vision board is an ongoing process. As your dreams evolve, don't hesitate to update and refresh your board to reflect your current aspirations. Now go out there and create a life that lights you up from the inside out.